You have likely heard the term Ponzi scheme, but do you know how this fraudulent financial model actually works behind the scenes? At its core, a Ponzi scheme is not an investment strategy, but a criminal enterprise designed to deceive unsuspecting participants. These schemes generate zero actual profit. The illusion of wealth is maintained solely by using new money to pay previous contributors. Always look for these common red flags. If an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Legitimate funds grow through the success of the companies they hold, whereas Ponzi schemes rely entirely on the constant inflow of new victims. Eventually, the scheme runs out of new people to recruit. Without fresh capital, the entire structure collapses, leaving late investors with nothing. Keep this golden rule in mind. Protecting your capital is just as important as growing it over the long term. Stay skeptical and always verify the legitimacy of any investment. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more basics on personal finance.